Hello everyone. If you're watching this, I'm assuming that the classroom technology has failed. No worries. So here we have the inputs that we can put in, and this will give us the sample size that we need in order to achieve whatever our goals are here. Let's say we need a two-tailed test, and maybe we're just looking for a medium effect size, 0.3. This is our standard alpha, and standard power is 0.8, 80%. So in order to detect that kind of effect size with this rate of detection, we would need a sample size of 82. However, let's say that the effect size was actually bigger. So this is kind of the null hypothesis here, and this is what our actual population is. You can see that overlap. Let me just take this up to a larger effect size, and if that would be the case, notice that we would then only need a sample size of 26. The larger the effect is, the smaller the sample size we would need in order to reliably detect that difference.